Here comes the lift home. Yeah, go back. Phew. You gonna get one?
No.
You should. I reckon you will. Just get ready to get buckled over. You scared?
Yeah.
What an afternoon. Magic. Go, go, Will. You're on. Go. Go, 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 go. Lift, lift, lift. Go, go, go. You got one. You got one. Is it a big? Oh, yes. You're getting pumped. You're getting owned. Good fish. Oh, you're getting slammed.
It's right there.
Woo. Oi. Double hook up. Oh, we're getting owned. Oh, the groper on fire. Are you getting a look there now though?
Yeah, I
Feel something crunching it a bit?
I can't feel something crunching. But I can feel like it's something.
Can you feel it crunching it up?
I don't know how I can feel it crunching it.
Like you can feel it mouthing it, like just like that.
I don't know how to feel that.
Looks like you're getting looked at. What was that, a look then? Oh, oh, elk, go, go. Oh, you're getting pumped, go dude. Go, wine, lift. Oh, what is it? We need that net, mate.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh, you're getting destroyed.
Woo!
Little brownie.
Oh, it's small.
Swim out to that rock out there.
There?
Yeah, big.
Oh, look at this, look at this. Oh. Oh! I busted at the braid.
Big one. Oh. They start running.
Oh, they're just nailing it. I might be getting a sniff here. Oh yeah. Oh, mate, I just got pumped. You on?
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting smoked.
Oh, I got done. I got snapped off. Huh? Pulled it. What him? Oh, he's a big one. Donkey.
Oh, that big.
No, he's alright. How's the groper? Let him go.
Yeah.
Down he goes. Just wondered why I lost him. Look at the hook. Went to put a crab on, the hook's been snapped by a big blue. Have a go at that. Might have a look there, mate. Huh? There. Got him. goes.